Here's our slip.
Sit. Sit. Let it sit. Let it sit. She's going to come around for you. Just let her sit. Neutral. Right engine forward. Neutral. Left engine back.
I really have to pee.
Okay, buddy, hold on. Neutral.
Hold on.
Okay. Now I want you to left forward.
Left
Left forward. Go. Left.
I know. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Okay. Again. Forward. Again. Good. Neutral. Forward.
You want more chips?
Left back. Neutral. Left forward. Left forward. Good. Neutral. Left back. Saddle. Saddle. Neutral. Left forward.
Left forward.
Scared me.
Don't be scared. Just listen.
Left back. Neutral. Left forward. Neutral.
What, honey?
Left back. Left back. Left back. Brother, you are docking 60-foot yacht. Neutral. Left forward.
Right, hold on to Noah. Right.
Neutral. Okay, get ready. You're going to bring them both back. And now. Boom. Neutral. Yeah!
High fives! Nice! 60 feet you pulled in!
Did not even touch the dock. Brother, you are a natural. All right, let's go tie her up. Come on, let's do it.
Thank you, Q.
Come on, we'll high five in a minute.
Oh, it's scary.
That was awesome, honey.